Artificial intelligence in banking. We are going to see what is artificial intelligence and how it plays an important role in banking sector. We know that in all the sectors, artificial intelligence are there and it plays an important role. We'll see particularly for banking sector how the artificial intelligence plays an important role. So first of all, let us see what is this artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is an area of computer science that emphasizes creation of human intelligent machines that work and react like human. So it is a human intelligent machine that work and react like human. So particularly for bank, how it is useful or what are the benefit of it, how we implement it, all this we will see here. So banks have been on the cutting edge of technological advancement. From computer to internet to mobile apps. The same thing in artificial intelligence also. With the rise of artificial intelligence, banks have a new tool to handle any number of tasks that are traditionally time-consuming, labor-intensive, and prone to make mistakes. So we can say that artificial intelligence is a boon to banking industry. In the world of technology, artificial intelligence is a rising star. Now we'll see what are the main aim of artificial intelligence in banking industry. To get insight into customers' preference. What do the customers prefer from bank? So what are their complaints? So what do they expect? Those things we can expect. And to ensure that customers are happy with the service provided by banks. And to help customers to understand their expectation from the bank. Now we'll see what are the application of artificial intelligence in banking. Artificial intelligence help in examining database effectively, execute modified financial advice to customers. It is possible to gain quick information of financial strategies, loan rates, and future market progress. It enables error-free computation and lower chance of error when compared to humans. It is extremely useful in reducing human efforts in laborious, repetitive, and tedious tasks. It provides impressive predictive analysis for various banking situations. It is easy to detect fraud and prevent any disastrous activity. Managing records and customer information. A huge volume of transactional data recording etc. becomes very easy. There is no fear of tiredness and artificial intelligence can continue to use human intelligence capacity without a break, rest or sleep. Now we'll see what are the benefits of artificial intelligence in banking sector. Artificial intelligence has immense potential for banking sector. It brings automation and simplifies the process. It reduces workload. So all of us will agree that because of using this artificial intelligence or this machine, it reduces the workload of the employees. Customers are helped with the help of chatbot to clear their doubts. It can reduce workload of customers, customer care executives. and it can help this chatbot can help the customers to how to open the account, how to close the account, how to transfer the fund from one account to another account, from one bank to another account. In all these ways, this artificial intelligence or this mission helps the customers accumulate and analyze useful data. Artificial intelligence can collect all the relevant data and irrelevant as well as useful data of the customers. The data regarding financial transaction can help the bank to understand the expenditure pattern of the customers. Next one is handle risk management. We know that lot of risk involves here. This artificial intelligence can handle and simplify risk management process by analyzing relevant data. It can analyze the latest transactions, market trends to identify the potential risk in giving loan to customers. Artificial intelligence can minimize the probable error and fraud. So preventing fraud. Artificial intelligence is designed to detect fraud in the transactions on the basis of predefined set of rules. It plays a vital role in protecting personal data. That is very important. The details about one's account details, how much money is there, how much expenses, all these details will be protected very well. And it has a tremendous scope in domain of cyber security, which is very, very important today. So now let us say that artificial intelligence plays a vital role in banking sector. Based on this artificial intelligence, mobile applications can make the transactions quicker and safer. Bank can handle the customer-oriented operations with ease while reducing the cost of hiring additional employees. Thank you.